Bedroom layout, a modern contemporary ideas. Is it possible to design 100 interiors in a year? This is our 28th home interior design. Today, we're using Mr. Mohit's home as an example. No defined layout, lack of warmth, no focal point. We'll redesign the bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and master's bedroom, turning this space into something amazing. Curious how we did it? Let me show you the design process using SketchUp and Enscape. This is Mr. Mohit's current layout, which includes 4 bedrooms, and we're going to redesign his 3 bedrooms. Before planning, we asked him what designs and changes he wants for the bedrooms. Because the only things in these bedrooms are the built-in wardrobes and some beds, he said he wanted to retain the carpets in these bedrooms and also the built-in wardrobes. He's also open to any design suggestions that we will provide. He also wanted to incorporate a modern contemporary design style, which is quite popular these days. From there, we use that as the starting point for our design. We will also incorporate smart storage solutions to keep his belongings organized. To bring out the modern contemporary vibe, we'll add clean lines, neutral tones, sleek furniture, and layered lighting for a cozy yet stylish look. Let's now proceed to the first bedroom. This bedroom reflects a cozy and modern contemporary style with neutral tones, layered lighting, and clean textures. This bedroom measures 3.36 meters by 2.87 meters and has a built-in wardrobe. We'll now proceed with the walls. We decided to change its paints into a soft white shade to give the space a clean and spacious look. This wall color will flow throughout the rest of the bedrooms for a consistent feel. Let's talk about the wall accents. We chose a smooth flat panel with subtle vertical seams, a light and dark tone crafted from MDF with a painted textured surface. In between, we added dark vertical groove panels with a veneer finish. These bring texture and depth that perfectly tie the whole design together. These choices aren't just stylish, they're durable too, making them perfect for modern interiors. Now moving on to the furniture. We placed the bed at the center, grounding it with cozy layers of gray and black bedding to keep it sleek and modern. On one side, there's a nightstand with a dark wood finish. You can easily style yours with a simple table lamp, a small potted plant, and a couple of books, just like we did here. Next, we added a wall-mounted desk paired with this comfy gray swivel chair, making it functional for work or even just relaxing, just right for the person's needs. You can imagine how this adds both personality and light to the space. It's not just stylish, but super practical, especially in compact bedrooms like this one. And for storage, the open shelving unit on the side is styled with neutral vases, books, and a touch of greenery. And beside it, we place this artwork, adding a sense of sophistication. You can definitely do this too. It's simple, but adds so much character to your room. Now for his window coverings. We chose linen curtains, which are perfect for the country's climate because they're versatile and adapt well to the changing weather. You can also choose this type of window covering as they're eco-friendly and durable. Want something like this? You can grab your own using the link provided and apply the coupon code Designburst for 15% off. Check out the description box for all the details. For the lighting setup, we went for a layered approach to keep the space both functional and stylish. The recessed pin lights in the ceiling provide even illumination, perfect for general lighting that's subtle and non-intrusive. To add a modern edge, we installed track lights in sleek black channels. These allow for adjustable lighting, making it easy to highlight specific areas or decor while enhancing the room's overall vibe. A cozy, modern vibe with clean lines, thoughtful details, and a mix of textures that bring everything together. Let's now talk about another bedroom design. This one truly captures a luxurious yet cozy modern contemporary vibe, combining textures, lighting, and functional elements seamlessly. This bedroom measures 3.72 meters by 3.45 meters and also has a built-in cabinet. Let's start with the wall accents. The central panel showcases a gorgeous marble textured wall framed by warm wood panels on both sides. This combination adds elegance and contrasts beautifully with the room's neutral tones. We've included LED strip lighting that outlines the wall panels. What do you think of this mix of textures? Would you try something like this for your bedroom? Let me know in the comment section. The centerpiece of the room is the upholstered gray bed. It's dressed in soft, neutral bedding, accented with a charcoal throw blanket for that extra layer of coziness. The design balances comfort and style, making it perfect for relaxation. On the other side of the bed, we've placed a sleek nightstand with a wood and white finish. These are styled simply yet elegantly, with a classic table lamp, a vase, and greenery. These little touches make your room feel lived in and personalized. On one side, there's a built-in sliding wardrobe with a minimal white and metal accent design. It's spacious yet subtle, blending seamlessly into the room without overwhelming the space. On the other side, we've added an open shelving unit with integrated lighting. It's styled with books and decors, showing how functional elements can also serve as design features. The lighting highlights these items beautifully, adding a warm and luxurious feel. For the windows, we've chosen light beige linen curtains. These are perfect for diffusing natural light during the day while maintaining privacy. The room features a layered lighting setup. The false ceiling incorporates recessed pin lights for general illumination. We've also included integrated LED lighting to create focal points and enhance the overall ambiance. Finally, we've added a few decor elements to tie the look together, like abstract wall art above the bed that complements the room's color palette and a small potted plant for a touch of greenery. What do you think of this bedroom design? Could you imagine yourself relaxing here? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Moving on to the last bedroom, which is the master's bedroom. We'll make this room feel luxurious, emphasizing warm natural textures, elegant lighting, and a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere. Empty space, floor plan, old photos. This bedroom measures 4.28 meters by 3.38 meters. Now onto the walls. This room features an elegant combination of wood panels and marble accents. The center wall is framed with light and dark wood panels for warmth and depth. At the center, we added a marble-inspired panel, adding texture and a touch of luxury. These elements not only elevate the design, but also make your space feel cohesive and modern. Would you add marble and wood accents like this to your home? Let me know in the comments. Next, let's talk about the furniture. At the center is a low platform bed styled with cozy layered bedding in neutral tones like beige and soft browns, keeping it warm yet clean. On one side, we placed a round black marble side table styled with a touch of greenery, perfect for adding life to the space. Above it, we placed a pendant light to provide focused illumination for tasks like reading. On the other side is a wall-mounted vanity desk paired with a curved stool and a mirror. It's functional and stylish, ideal for compact spaces. We incorporated a glass sliding wardrobe with warm, integrated lighting, making it easy to organize and visually appealing. Next to it is a set of open wood shelves with LED lighting, perfect for displaying books and decor pieces. This setup balances functionality and style. Now, let's move to the ceiling and lighting. The ceiling is designed with a two-layer false ceiling that adds depth and character to the room. The main layer is recessed with pin lights for even, subtle illumination, perfect for general lighting. Around the edges, we incorporated cove lighting and linear LED strip lights to highlight the layers and create a warm, cozy ambiance. At the center, we installed a modern geometric ceiling light, which acts as the room's focal point and adds a sleek, contemporary touch. This false ceiling doesn't just enhance the overall design, but also ties the entire space together with its modern and functional vibe. Next, let's move to the window covering. We chose linen curtains for a soft, airy look that complements the room's neutral palette. Linen is durable, eco-friendly, and versatile, adapting beautifully to the room's design. This bedroom is the perfect balance of elegance, functionality, and comfort with its thoughtful details and cohesive design. Here's a quick tour of the 3 areas we designed in Mr. Mohit's house. Let's explore how we transformed these 3-bedroom space into stylish, functional, and cozy spots that perfectly fit his needs and style. And if you also have a room you'd like to redesign using different design styles, feel free to email us at designburst26@gmail.com. Make sure to include the following in your email subject. Recently, we've received a lot of emails, but we noticed some of them didn't include a response or the details we need to create a proper interior design. So, we need your help. Please make sure to provide all the necessary information so we can better assist you. We look forward to hearing from you and collaborating on your dream space. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.